Is Kuruluş Osman could survive without Burak Özçivit? Or for a wise producer, Burak's separation is not a loss, it is a golden opportunity. But what if I told you his departure could become the greatest turning point in Turkish drama history? Yes, the fall of one empire may just be the rise of another. Dear viewers, fasten your hearts, because what you're about to hear is no ordinary story. This is a storm of emotions, betrayal, opportunity, and legacy. When Burak walked away from Kuruluş Osman, the industry shook, fans wept, critics whispered, and the legacy of Osman Bey seemed to fade into shadows. But here lies the twist. Every ending carries within it the seed of a new beginning. For a wise producer, Burak's separation is not a loss, it is a golden opportunity. Imagine this. A visionary producer steps forward, not one driven by greed, but by courage. He unites Burak Özçivit once more, not alone, but alongside Özge Törer as Bala Hatun and Cengiz Coşkun as the mighty Turgut Ghazi. Together they rise. Together they reclaim the battlefield. Together they prepare a project so grand, so powerful, that the name Kuruluş Osman would blaze across the skies once again. Because no producer in this world is as stingy as Bozda, and no dream is too heavy for those who dare to carry it. Think about it. Without Burak, could Bala shine? Without Osman, could Turgut stand tall? No. Their strength is tied to him, just as a flame is tied to fire. And if united again, this trio would not just act in a drama. They would ignite the greatest Turkish series the world has ever seen. Can you feel it? I whisper intensely, the heartbeat of millions waiting, the cries of fans across continents, the untold story waiting to burst from silence. This is not just a project. This is destiny. This is the chance to reclaim a lost throne. Because if such a project is born, it won't just top charts in Turkey. It will become the world's #1 drama series. A story whose ratings won't just climb, they will soar beyond the skies. So, dear viewers, ask yourself, what is greater, the loss of one man or the rebirth of a legend? Burak's exit is not the end. It is the beginning of a firestorm, a fire that could turn ashes into glory and silence into the loudest roar the world has ever heard. Stay with us, because the legacy of Kuruluş Osman is not finished.